Hello. Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So today we are in a very good uptrend. You can see that the price is heading to the upper side. We have a very good uptrend. There are no signs for selling this chart. So we do have a very good resistance level here. It has just been broken. Now we have a resistance here, we have a resistance, we have a minor resistance. The price is currently above the same place. So while the price is held above these two lines, we want to see the price pull back to the same zone so that we can pick a buy position. So on the 4 hours chart, we have this. We have a very good resistance here. We have a resistance. There is this breakout. So as long as the price remains above these two lines, we do expect the price to continue to the upside. So this here will be a good place to look for a buy position from. This within these two lines, this is where we want to look for a buy positions from. My next chart is Euro USD. This is a downtrend. So we've seen price continue to the lower side. The price even went below this support. This is a very good support level that the price has been using for some times now. We had a support there. We had a support. We had a support. We had a support. There is this breakout. As long as the price is held below these two lines, we do expect the price to continue even lower. So we want to see what happens. We are expecting that the price may likely pull back to the same zone so that we pick a sell position. This here will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So other than that, we had some shapes in the past. We're going to draw them, not that they're useful now, but because they were useful in the past. And if you can say anything like that now, maybe you can use them for trading. So the first one is that one. This is the first shape. So we have an expanding range formation. There is this breakout. If the price can pull back and touch this line, then this will give us the place to look for a sell from. My next chart, sorry, not my next chart, we have another shape here. This is also another expanding wedge formation. So you can see what happens if you take the whole thing, the whole of this as a wider expanding formation. You can see that we have a very good trend line here. We have another trend line at the top. So now that the price is below this one, this lower trend line, and also below this level, we are strictly looking for sell position. So if the price fails to sell off from this point, it may sell off from the other line we have at the top here. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is GBP USD. It is a very good sell. All our indicators are showing us a sell, so we keep looking. So you either wait and sell it around this point, or you wait and sell it at the line you have at the top, which is this one here. So in my opinion, this should be the correct place to look for a sell from. This right here should be the correct place where we want to look for a sell from. My next instrument is gold. So on gold so far, you remember yesterday we were looking for a breakout. We had that, and then we have this. So you can see we have a very good shape here. There is another shape at the top. So now that the price is below this point, I want to see a clear breakout. We want to see a break below 1659.97 to mean that we're continuing to the losses. So if the price breaks below this point and ends up below this level, expect it to continue to the lower side. My next chart is the SP500. This is a sell. 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 This is a sell that is a sell. So this was a very good breakout. As we're speaking now, the price is below the same place, so we are technically looking for sell positions. We are actually expecting the sellers to break below this point, then continue down up to the next level, which is this one here. So we have a support here, and then you have another support at this price here. The other chart, this is Brent oil. So Brent oil, the price is consolidating. There is no clear direction, but we are within a good shape. And then we have another. You have another. So when the price breaks below this point, we do expect it to continue to the lower side. So if the price can descend and close below this point, expect it to continue to the lower side. In case the price goes up and breaks above this point, expect it to continue upwards. So my next instrument, that should be the end of today's analysis. I'm sorry. So we'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.